In this tutorial, you will see that how you can unlock FPS on Roblox in just few steps without downloading any software. So let's start. Firstly, you have to click on this search and search for Roblox. Right click on this Roblox player and open file location. Right click, again click on open file location, and here you will find these folders. Right click, hover at new and click on this folder, and then you have to rename it to client settings, same as it is. Open it and right click again, new, and select here text document. Then you have to rename it again, client app settings, same as it is. Open it. Now you have to paste text like this: DFI entry task scheduler target FPS 300. It will boost your FPS up to 300. You can simply write same as it is. Then click on this file and save as. Here during writing name you have to write dot and JS on. That's the format of that file, and click on save. Then close it. Now you can see here in type you will find these two files of JSON file and text document. You have to delete this second one, text document, and then you will get this JSON file. Now after creating it, you can simply click back and copy its folder and paste it to desktop, because whenever Roblox updates, it will delete your folder. So after every update of Roblox, you can simply paste it again on this folder. Then if you open your Roblox, you can see here it's playing on high FPS.